To use an abstract class, you would create a subclass that provides concrete implementations of makeSound. Here's an example. 1. Class dog extends animal. This declares a class dog that extends animal. By extending animal, dog inherits all non-private fields and methods, including the name field and the getName method. 2. Public dog, string name. This is the constructor for dog. It takes a name parameter. 3. Super, name, calls the constructor of the animal class to set the name field. This ensures the name property is initialized according to the parent class's constructor. 4. At override public void makeSound. Here, we override the makeSound method from animal with a specific implementation for dog. Five. System.out.println, woof. This line outputs woof, representing the sound a dog makes. Now, when you create a dog object and call makeSound, it will output woof. This structure demonstrates how abstract classes help enforce a common interface method across related classes while allowing each subclass to implement its unique behavior.